Number 3. Home-based baking or snack brand. Now don't scroll, stay with me. You don't need to be a trained chef to pull this off. You just need one snack everyone around you craves. It could be brownies that melt in your mouth, soft cookies, crunchy granola, or those cute bite-sized muffins that disappear faster than you bake them. Here's the thing. People are always looking for something tasty, fresh, and trustworthy. Big brands feel too commercial, too processed. But when your neighbor says, "Hey, I make these from my kitchen," it instantly feels special. That's the power of small and local. Start with one signature product, your hero snack. Perfect it. Package it cleanly. A brown craft box, a sticker with your name, maybe even a short tagline like, "Sweet starts here." Presentation matters. A simple, neat brand makes people take you seriously, even when you're still baking from home. Then, start spreading the word where people already hang out. WhatsApp groups, Instagram reels, TikTok videos showing your baking process. Trust me, people love watching behind-the-scenes clips, that moment when the batter rises or the chocolate melts. It's marketing magic. And here's the part most people miss. Take your camera and show your face or your hands doing the work. It builds trust. You're not just selling snacks, you're selling effort, care, and story. When people buy your muffins, they're supporting you, not a corporation. Now imagine this. You bake 3 batches a week, sell 20 boxes at $10 each. That's $800 a month, right from your kitchen counter. Add deliveries on weekends, and suddenly, you got a side hustle that smells like sugar and success. Because when your kitchen starts to smell like freshly baked cookies and ambition, that's not just dessert, that's your business calling. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.